In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Excel conditional formatting to highlight cells that are 2 standard deviations above the average. So this will be perfect for highlighting or catching the top performing values in your entries that stands out well above the rest of your data. So for example, I have this outlier that is performing exceptionally well compared to the rest. So we're going to add the rules. So first, make sure to select the entire column, then conditional formatting, then highlight cells, and then more rules, and then format only values that are above or below average. Then click over here and then set 2 standard deviation above the average, and then I'm going to format it. I'm going to set the format to green color. Click OK, click OK, and that's pretty much it. Now it's going to highlight the outliers that are performing well above the rest of the average in your data. That's pretty much it for the video. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.